Naturalism. No straight lines, concrete, bricks or metals. No human intervention. Or so it seems. When Sam Cox, one of Australia's most prominent naturalist landscape designers, took over this property, it was nothing more than an open paddock. The success of its transformation demonstrates the key ingredient in all of his landscapes: rock placement.
Rock for me, in terms of being a landscape designer, is key to just about every element we're trying to build into a landscape. So we're looking for obviously the retaining abilities of them, but also the beauty of them in terms of a sculptural element. The key to working with rocks is understanding how they would have naturally come out of the ground, and then working on how we emulate that back into the landscape. We look for levels in the stone that has that sense that it was once fluid, and in our placement that is key in terms of getting the structures right.
So do rocks have a top and bottom to them?
Yes, they do, and they have a face especially. So whenever we're placing stone, we're looking for the face initially, and then we need to try and build those into the outcrop. It may be about the shape, but it also is about lichen and moss. We want to bring that colour to the front of the outcrop if possible. We're also looking for the lead that the stone creates for us in terms of where the next stone may be joined to and how that may have come together in a natural sense.
Does that mean you don't have a plan for how it's going to fit together until they arrive?
No, you can't draw this. This is about the skills that we have to place the stone and get it technically placed to make sure it's structurally sound as well.
Sounds very unpredictable.
It is very unpredictable, but it's also very creative. So with naturalism, we're always trying to immerse a building into our landscape, and outcropping's key to that for us. So we find that it allows for a natural transition in heights. If we wrap our building or have our stonework quite close to the transitions of the corners of buildings, we tend to find that gives a strong sense of the building being immersed down into its landscape.
Sam's able to replicate the natural relationship and proportion of rocks, creating timeless gardens that truly belong in the Australian landscape.